Hello everyone, this is group number 28. Our project title is Android mobile phone controlled Wi-Fi robot with video transmission. Our project guide is V. Padma, Associate Professor, IT Department. Our group number is 28. Our group members are S. Akhil Chandra, P. Jeevan, K. Srinath. The main idea of our project is to build a robot which can be moved in all four directions to the predefined keys that are assigned in an Android application, and also a camera is equipped for remote view, and this can be controlled and can be tilted in 360 degrees using predefined keys in the Android application. The camera can take pictures and can give us the live transmission, and this live feed can be seen in the Android application. The controlling device for the robot in the project is Raspberry Pi. Existing system. The wireless robots earlier were operated over the Bluetooth technology and were controlled using a Bluetooth-enabled mobile. The robots with this technology didn't have the luxury of going to a longer distances because the range of the Bluetooth was very limited. The robots are used very limited in number because the functionalities of these robots are very less. The cons of the above system are range of Bluetooth is very less, data transmission is very low. The proposed system uses the Wi-Fi technology over the Bluetooth technology. With this Wi-Fi technology, the feed that is obtained from the camera is very fast and the data can be transmitted very quickly. The range of the Wi-Fi is also very high, and this can be used in many areas and can also be used in rescue situations. The hardware requirements. The hardware components that were used for building this project was Raspberry Pi, DC motor driver, step-down DC to DC converter, 16-channel 12-bit PWM driver, servo, BO gear reducers, wires, batteries, SD card, chassis, pan and tilt camera mount, robot wheels, webcam, USB cables, smartphone with Android operating system, laptop with minimum hardware requirements. The software requirements are Android Studio for building the Android application, operating system Linux for programming the Raspberry Pi. Now let us see the execution of the project. This is the assembled project, and this is a 4-wheel robot, and you can see all the connections of the robot. And this is the Raspberry Pi that is used, and as we said, this is the controlling device for the robot, and the blinking one is the Wi-Fi and the orange one is the power. This is the servo controller which is used to control the servos. The power from the servo controller is given from the DC to DC, and this is the DC to DC which converts the voltage, and we can adjust the voltage using the potentiometer. And the power for the Raspberry Pi is also given from the DC to DC, and this is the motor driver which is used to run the motors, and for this the power also is given from the DC to DC. And these are the servos which are used to tilt the camera. That one is the top servo and another is the bottom servo. This servo is used for the steering, and that is the webcam for live video transmission, and it is connected to the Raspberry Pi in an USB port. Now we will see the execution of this project in the Android application. For this, first we have to type a command, and then the server starts. After the server starts, we will open the application and we will enter the IP address of the Raspberry Pi. When we enter the IP address of the Raspberry Pi and press go, we will be seeing the screen, and you can see the controls, and the turning is done by tilting the phone left and right, and the forward and the backward are the buttons that are on the left side, and the buttons that are on the right side is for tilting the camera up, down, left and right. and the middle screen is for the live video transmission. The image is not proper because the webcam is, uh, is not proper. So as you can see, this can be tilted in all the four directions and also front and backward, and the steering is done by tilting the phone